Morning. Going back into downtown. We both have separate lunch dates. Food has been phenomenal, honestly. So good. Yesterday we went to this Trang Fun place. Really delicious. I highly recommend if you're in Richmond. Apparently they won quite a bit of awards as well. I'll see if I can place you somewhere. So I think it's worth checking out. I saw it on TikTok, which is why we kind of spontaneously added it to our list. And then yesterday we had so much food at Qlowdy, which is a Korean barbecue place. I highly recommend that as well. It was so good. The quality of the meat was amazing. The menu was quite large. And I definitely recommend going with a big group because you can really get the most of trying everything. Their soups are really good. But yeah, yesterday we just hung out with a lot of our friends. Quite a few of our friends' birthdays are in March. So we wanted to celebrate with them since we were in town. We did get home pretty late, so I'm pretty tired this morning. I'm meeting up with some friends. We're going to Miku for sushi. I think that will be a really nice pick-me-up since I am so tired today. I am gonna walk there now, so I'll see you there. Oh man, it's like super rainy, typical Vancouver weather, but I'm getting pretty hungry, so just a few minute walk away and time for food. Our friends then took us to this really cute Taiwanese place. I love the decor inside.
You're so awkward.
Nervous. Shaking.
First time, hey?
Like drops on the table.
First time being on camera, Robert? Yeah. That's not true.
For dinner that night, we went to a Korean restaurant called Hanpan. The food was decent. I will say that the portions are quite small, so if you are with a big group like us, I would definitely double up on the orders.
Thank you.
Cheers!
I like the pop.
And of course, we had to hit up a dessert place in Richmond. This is called Sweet Memory. Jason got the small. Oh, look at how big this is. Yeah.
Amazing value.
It's huge.
This is huge.
It's a lot of air.
It's another eating day. I am so excited for today because we're meeting with a bunch of our friends for dim sum. And surprisingly, have you had dim sum here before?
Long time ago.
Yeah, like Jason hasn't been to dim sum Vancouver in a long time. I don't think I have, or maybe when I was younger, but really excited for it. We have a huge group so we can order a ton of food. It's legit a full-on Richmond eating day.
Yeah, that's true.
Everything we ordered at dim sum was delicious. There wasn't anything that really stood out. However, I do recommend making a reservation because this restaurant gets super busy. We decided to be a little bit more conservative with ordering just because we are going to Aberdeen Food Court after. Alright, so we're at Aberdeen and we're ordering a ton of food. I know we just had dim sum, but we're trying all the must-tries. So I'm lined up for Xilongbao. We got food here. Here I'm trying the pork intestine from Wu Feng Dessert. This was really good. Next, I'm trying the deep fried prawn wontons from Lung Ki. This is also where we got our congee, and this was packed with so much shrimp. Definitely would come back for this one. Tried the pork cutlet sandwich from Savutan. There wasn't really much flavor in the pork cutlet, and it was quite dry. The tepen rice was definitely amazing. It's nice that they have it on the hot plate and you just have to return it after you're finished eating. Next, I'm trying the soup dumplings from Shanghai Morning. We tried the soup dumplings from R&H. Definitely feel like they're more fresh and the skin is a little bit thinner, but definitely still an amazing option if you're at Aberdeen. The last thing we tried at the Aberdeen food court were the deep fried chicken wings, and these are definitely a must get. Next up, we wanted to try some Chinese barbecue, so we are at Parker Place. You definitely want to make sure you're going early because it is a popular spot. They do sell out of their meat options early. We ordered the barbecue pork and the crispy skin pork, which is what they are known for. We also brought back a few packs of the lapchung or Chinese sausage. We ate it at home and it was absolutely amazing. Here we're having the barbecue pork and the crispy skin pork. I definitely feel like the barbecue pork was average. However, I definitely would order the crispy skin pork again. The crispy skin pork was so tender and the skin was so crunchy.
Very crispy.
Not crispy, right?
You hear it.
You probably thought we were done eating for the day. Next off, we're at Mac's Noodle House for their signature wonton noodles. This is hands down one of the best wonton noodles I've ever had. I'm usually not a huge fan, but this definitely hit. And just a reminder that most of these restaurants in Richmond are cash only, so make sure you hit up the ATM before eating. This is the last spot of the night. We had to end it with some amazing dessert, and we're back here at the tofu pudding spot, and we brought our friends along. We're back for dessert for some tofu pudding. So we got the classic tofu pudding. They have the ginger syrup on the side so you can adjust the sweetness to your liking. This was such a great way to end our crazy food day.
Hello, Lawai.
It is unfortunately our final day in Vancouver. We are starting our morning with this delicious pineapple bun with egg, spam, and butter. And honestly, this might be my new go-to spot for this pineapple bun.
Yeah, I like this a lot. I think I like it more than Beetle. Wow, this is so good. It's like right amount of crisp. It doesn't flake off. And I mean, there's a crap ton of butter here, but delicious. We also got sade my fun.
The noodles were amazing. Even though aesthetically it doesn't look like anything fancy, there was the right amount of flavor in the soup. It wasn't too salty and too heavy with MSG. But overall, this Hong Kong style cafe is probably our new favorite. I can't believe believe I never knew the store existed, and there is one in Calgary, Chinook Mall as well. But the store has a ton of collectibles, and oh my gosh, this is way too cute. It was so hard to resist. I saw these cat and dog collectibles, and there's a ramen one that was calling my name, so I had to give it a go and buy one.
Okay, let's try my luck.
This is so cute.
Uh-oh.
This is not good.
we should not have walked in.
Was not expecting to buy anything.
Alright, that concludes our Vancouver trip. We were just chilling in the lounge and I got way too excited, so I wanted to see which collectible I got, and it looks like I got the cat with the fish one, which was super cute. I'll probably go back again and see if I can get the cat eating the ramen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope these videos were helpful to plan your next Vancouver trip. Comment down below some of your favorite restaurants in Vancouver, and we'll definitely check it out next time.